For this video I'm dipping my toe into the digital art world for the second time in my life. I'll be using the digital medium to make my most detailed artwork ever. And if you like what you see, I turned the piece into a limited edition print. But first, let's take you back on how this whole project began.
Everything we make is a reflection of a moment.
So for the last couple of weeks I've been working on some commission pieces. But if you follow me on Instagram you already know that, don't you? Excuse me. That's also the reason, by the way, why I haven't uploaded. And yeah. However, while I was working on those pieces, I got contacted by a company called Labs with the question if I wanted to try out their drawing tablet and make a video about it. Since I don't really do digital art, it seems like a great opportunity, especially because a lot of you had been requesting in the comments on previous videos if I could make a print, so I guess it's time to make that happen. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you liked the video at any point. It's completely free and you would help me out a lot. And with that being said, it's time to get started with this project. Since I'm still waiting for the tablet to arrive, I'm starting off on a piece of paper to work out my design. The whole idea behind this work is to visualize a bird shape inside my signature doodle with negative space. It's a concept I haven't really done before and I think doing it digitally will be perfect for this kind of experiment. It's kind of a rough sketch, but I don't think I need more planning than this. So then I just had to make a scan from the drawing. So stupid. And now I just have to wait. I guess it's time for the unboxing. So to start off the unboxing, we had a box inside a box, and the first thing I got to say, this packaging looks on point. Are you kidding me? We have another box. Third time's a charm, I guess. Anyway, in here we got a very nice looking drawing tablet and all sorts of cool looking gadgets. I don't really know what they're for, but once I saw this sexy glove, I got really excited. I mean, can you tell I was excited? And if I wasn't excited enough, there was even a hidden compartment with a nice bag. This looks all very promising. I seriously need more shiny stuff like this. So I headed over to my edit room so I could start hooking everything up to my computer. And then once I installed the driver, et voila! That's what I'm talking about. I basically jumped right into creating the first doodle shape for the drawing, more specifically the outline. I didn't need much practice because I'm already kind of familiar with Photoshop, not a lot though, but it was enough to get me started. After doing the outline, I also messed around with some brushes to figure out how to do the shading. Once again, I quickly got it down, which meant I had both ingredients to get this piece to work, and that meant only one thing. Enough messing around. I think it's time to get some serious work done. Basically, start the grind. Let's go! So for the next couple of days I pretty much became a caveman. I focused primarily on this project and I worked on the entire outline for this artwork. And then after a healthy amount of time I got the job done. I did, however, left the right side of the image incomplete because I can use the digital medium to my advantages and just copy the left side, flip it over, and we have a complete image. Guess what? Sometimes I'm not a complete idiot. And so it was time to start shading the piece. Pretty much the most grindy, repetitive and tedious task of them all. However, the shading is also the most crucial part of my art style. The first 90% of making any piece in my style, it feels like it's going nowhere. I always have to convince myself that it's only at the very end that everything comes together and will turn into something I like. And luckily this time it was no different. Oh man, it's always such a relief when I finish a project like this. It was Kind of a lot of work, and I'm gonna show you some proper shots of the end result in just a second. But first I want to inform you about two things. First of all, the most exciting one, I made a limited edition print from the artwork. It's kind of a big print. It is available on my website, Bamsway.com. The only thing I can say is get yours before they're gone. Secondly, the drawing tablet I used for this project from Sensi Labs. If you want to check it out and look at all the specification, there's gonna be a link in the description down below. Overall, I just had a wonderful experience with the drawing tablet. I would definitely recommend it if you're looking for a drawing tablet like this. For me, it's pretty much all I ever need. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to give you some proper shots of the end result, and then we see each other very soon this time in a new video. Take care. Seriously, the amount of work I put into these videos. I wonder when this box is gonna drop on my head.